Good morning, student. I am your math teacher, Pravinder Kumar. Going on to teach you about compound interest without using formula. So yesterday we have solved up to 7 questions. Now question number 8 what we have. Minal leads rupees 75,000 at a compound interest for 3 years if the rate of interest for 2 years is 15% per year, 15% for first 2 years, for 2 years 15% per years, and for third year it is a 16%. Calculate the sum Minal will we get at the end of third years. तो यहाँ से हमें क्लियर हो गया what we have given. Leads principal equal to 75,000. Rate of interest we have first 2 years, that is 15%. That is the first 2 years. That is rate of interest first 2 years. This is equal to 15%. Now we have calculate compound interest for first year. P1 R1 into T over 100. 75,000. P is a 75,000. R equal to 15% and T equal to 1 year. We talk only first year. एक ही साल की बात करें. That is 100 and this is 100 cancel. This is and 750 multiplied by 15, that is 11,215. Now amount at the end of the first year, P1 plus I1 equal to 75,000 plus 11,250. 5, 2, 6, 86,250. Now for third years, second years, what is the principal? That is amount at the end of the first year. The principal equal to P2 equal to amount at the end of the first year, that is a 86,250. Now we calculate the interest per second year, that is P2 R1 into T. क्योंकि हमारे पास R1 जो है that is ये rate of interest for 2 years, first 2 year के लिए हमारे पास 15% rate of interest दिया हुआ है. Now principal equal to 86,250 multiplied by 15 multiplied 1 over 100. Cancel and this one 8,625 multiplied 3 divided by 2, that is 12,937.5. Amount at the end of the second years, that is P2 plus I2, that is 86,250 and plus 12,937. Add this one, that equal to 0 and 5.781899. अब इसके बाद हमारे पास फॉर थर्ड ईयर, दैट अमाउंट फॉर द सेकेंड ईयर, दैट इज द प्रिंसिपल फॉर थर्ड ईयर. Third year principal equal to amount at the end of the third year, that is 99,187.50. Rate of interest, that is R2, that is for third year, that is 16% for third year. We have given this one. The rate of interest for third year equal to I3 equal to P3 multiply R2 multiply T1 divided by 100. 1087.50 multiply 16 multiply by 5, and this one cancelled, and this one 991.8750 and multiply this one, that equal to 15,870. Amount at end of the third years, P3 plus I3 equal to, we added this one, that equal to 11,500, 1,15,057.50. Now, ninth question is similar. Now we have take 10th questions. Find the amount compound interest on 4,000 reoccurs in 3 years when the rate of interest is to 8% for the first for first years, 8%, and for second year, that is 10%. What we have clear from that is find out the compound interest on 4,000 reoccurs in 3 years. 3 years and 8% rate of interest for 8% for first year and 10% for second and third years. P1 equal to 4000, rate of interest 8% and time period equal to, क्योंकि हम फर्स्ट ईयर की बात कर रहे हैं तो we have time equal to 1 year. I equal to P1 multiply R1 into T divided by 100. 4000 multiply 8 multiply 1. This one cancel, that is 3320 rupees. And amount equal to P, what is the formula amount? P principal plus interest, that is P1 plus I1 equal to 4000 plus 320 equal to 4320 rupees. Now amount principal for second year, that is amount at the end of the first year, amount हमारे पास है 4320. P2 equal to A1, that is 4320. R2 equal to 10% per annum. P2 into R2 into T over 100. 4320 multiplied by 10 multiply this one cancelled, that is 432. P amount at end of the second year, that is P2 plus I2, 4320 plus 432, that is 4000. We added this one 4052. Similar for third year, second and third year के लिए rate of interest similar है हमारे पास, that is for third years P3, that is amount at the end of the second year. Amount हमारे पास second year में है 4752. Remember these things, that is the amount at the end of the second year, that is the principal for the third years, and first year का है, that is the principal for second years. Now first 4752, and this is I3 equal to P3 multiply R2 multiply by T over 100. 4752 multiply 10, and this one cancelled, that is 475.20. Amount at end of the third year P3 plus I3, 4752 plus 4752 plus 475.20, that equal to, I again repeat, 4752 plus 475.20, this one we have 5227.20. Compound interest at the end of the third year, that is A3 equal to, or A3 minus original principal, that is 5227.20, and 4000 minus, that is 1227.0. Now exercise, that's all, that is question, first exercise is over. Now I take now question number exercise second, exercise number 2b, by using formula A equal to P into 1 plus R upon 100 raised to power n. A is a amount, and P is a principal, and R is a rate of interest, and n is a time period. This is a time period. How much time period we have deposited that? Some leads. And what is the formula of compound interest? I CI minus equal to A, that is a this is your amount का formula हमारे पास. What we have calculated, amount equal to P in bracket 1 plus R upon 100 raised to power n. P is a principal, R is a rate of interest, and n is a time. Compound interest equal to A minus P, and CI equal to a compound interest. The calculate the difference between simple interest and the compound interest on 4000 in 2 year at 8% per annum, and compounded annually. Interest we have 8% per annum. Principal is 4000, rate of interest 8% per annum, and time period 2 years. The simple interest equal to PRT over 100, that is 4000 multiply 8 multiplied by 2, cancel this one, 8 4 ja 32, 320 multiplied by 2, that is a 640. Simple interest we have calculated, that is a simple interest we have. For second part, for compound interest, what is the formula of amount? Amount equal to P into 1 plus R upon 100 raised to power n. and principal equal to 4000, 1 plus r 8 upon 100 का square, and 4000 that equal to we have 100 plus 8 108 over 100 का whole square, and 25 for the 100 and 27 for the 108 का square. 4000 multiplied by 27 over 25 to 4000. This one we have. This one we have cancelled. 25 ones are 25 and 150 25 6 are 150 and 0 160 multiplied by 27 multiplied by 27 whole divided by 25, that is 4665.60, and compound interest equal to A minus P, 4665.60 and minus 4000, that equal to 665.60. Now according to question, this is according to questions, difference between compound interest and simple compound interest minus simple interest, that equal to 665.60, and this is a simple interest we have calculated 640, that is a 26.60 paise. This money we have 26 point, and this formula we have. I repeat again this one, but we have amount का formula क्या है, amount equal to P into 1 plus R upon 100 raised to power n, और P हमारे पास प्रिंसिपल क्या है, दैट इज 4000, 1 प्लस R हमारे पास 8% पर एनम है, 8 over 100 raised to power, दैट इक्वल टू वी टेक एलसीएम 4000 plus 108 का होल स्क्वायर, एंड दिस वन वी हैव एक्सपेंडिंग 4000 multiplied 27 over 25 multiplied 27 over 25. Our 25 ones are 25 and 25 ones are 25 and 25 6 are 150, and this is 0. 160 multiplied by 27 multiplied 27 whole divided by 25, that plus, और इसको हमने कैलकुलेट किया तो that is 4665.60 रुपीज. अब हमारे पास है कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट निकालना है. दिस अमाउंट माइनस ओरिजिनल प्रिंसिपल, और प्रिंसिपल के हमारे पास 4000 माइनस किया तो 665 रुपीज 60 पैसे आ गया. अकॉर्डिंग टू क्वेश्चन, बट वी हैव कैलकुलेटेड द कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट, वी हैव फाइंड द डिफरेंस बिटवीन कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट एंड सिंपल इंटरेस्ट, दैट इज 665.60 and 640, that is 25 rupees 60 paise. A man leads 12,500 at a 12% for first years and 15% for second years and 18% for third years. If the difference between compound interest and for first years and the compound interest for third years, we have to find out the difference between first and third years. Now principal equal to 12,500, R1 equal to 12%, R2 equal to 18% and R3 that is 18%. That is फर्स्ट ईयर के लिए हमारे पास रेट R1 फर्स्ट ईयर के लिए, R2 सेकेंड ईयर के लिए, और R3 हमारे पास थर्ड ईयर के लिए है. इंटरेस्ट फॉर फर्स्ट ईयर दैट इज P इंटू एज ए प्रीवियस विदाउट यूजिंग फॉर्मूला वी हैव सॉल्व दिस वन, क्योंकि वी हैव कैलकुलेटेड एवरी ईयर इंटरेस्ट P इंटू R1 इंटू T ओवर, क्योंकि हमारे पास यहाँ सक्सेसिव होता तो हमने इकट्ठा ले लेना था, बट यह एवरी ईयर का इंटरेस्ट लेना है. फर्स्ट ईयर का इंटरेस्ट और थर्ड ईयर के इंटरेस्ट में डिफरेंस निकालना है. तो प्रिंसिपल 12,500 मल्टीप्लाई 12 इंटू 1 ओवर 100, दिस इज 20 कैंसल, एंड 125 मल्टीप्लाई बाई 12, दैट इज 1500. अमाउंट एट द एंड ऑफ द फर्स्ट ईयर, that is A1 equal to P plus I1, that is 12,000 plus 12,500 plus 1,500, that is it 14,000. For second year, the amount at the end of the first year, that is the principal for the second year, P2 for second principal, P2 equal to A1 equal to 14,000. Interest at the end of the second year, that equal to what is the I2 equal to P2 multiply R2 multiply T over 100, that is a P2 equal to 14,000 multiply 15 multiply 1 over 100, this one cancel, that is a 2,100 rupees, that is a interest at the end of the second year. Amount at the end of the second year, A2 equal to P2 plus I2, that is a 14,000 plus 2,100, that is 16,100. For third year, P3 equal to A2, that is 16,100, and interest equal to P3 into R3 into T over 100. P3 is 16,100 multiply R3 we have 18 already we have given, 18 multiplied by 1 over this 20 cancel, 61 multiplied 18, that is 2,898 rupees. This is a compound interest at the end of the third years, and but we have calculated according to question the difference between compound interest of 30 years and the first year. थर्ड ईयर का कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट है हमारे पास 2,898 माइनस 1,500, एंड दिस ये 1,398 rupees. That's all.